Welcome to History Minute. Today we are dividing into Mughals Empire 1526 to 1858, major events that shaped India's past. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First, Babur 1526. First Battle of Panipat, Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and established the Mughal Empire in India. 1527 Battle of Khanwa, Babur defeated Rajput King Ranasanga. Then comes to Humayun 1539 to 1540, defeated by Sher Shah Suri in Battle of Chausa and Kanaus. 1540 to 1555, Mughal rule temporarily lost to Sur Empire. Then 1555, Humayun regained the throne with Persian support. Then 1556, Humayun died after a fall, succeeded by Akbar. Then comes to Akbar the Great. 1556 Second Battle of Panipat, Akbar's forces defeated Hemu. 1560s to 1590s, consolidated Mughal power across north and central India. 1571 founded the city of Fatehpur Sikri, promoted religious tolerance. Din Illa abolishes Jia's tax, strengthened central administration and Mansabdari system. Then comes to Jahangir, known for justice, that is chain of justice and patronage of art. Faced resistance from Sikhs. Guru Arjan Dev was executed at 1606, marriage alliance with Nur Jahan, who gained political power. Then come to Shah Jahan 1631 to 1653, built the Taj Mahal in memory of Mumtaz Mahal, promoted Mughal architecture, that is Red Fort, Jama Masjid, faced rebellion, health decline, led to war of succession. Then comes to Aurangzeb, defeated his brother to seize the throne, reintroduced Jia's tax, strict Islamic policies, expand empire to Deccan and South India, faces resistance from Marathas, Sikhs, Jat, Rajputs, longest reigns empire. After his death, the empire began to decline. Successor were weak, empire became symbolic. 1739, Nadir Shah of Persia invaded Delhi, looted the Peacock thrones. Then 1761, Third Battle of Panipat, Afghans Ahmad Shah Abdil defeated Marathas, weakened Indian power. Then raises of British East India Company. Then 1857, First War of Independence, that is Sepoy Mutiny, last major revolt against British rule. Bahadur Shah II, that is Jafar, was declared symbolic leader of the revolt. 1858, British formally ended Mughal rule, exiled Bahadur Shah Jafar to Rangoon. That is the journey of Mughal Empire from glorious beginning to tragic end. Hit like, share, subscribe and ring